I don't know, my 2020. Wait, we are in 2021. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hi, I actually missed you guys. But anyways, if you're new, hi, I'm Onyo for short. If you've been here from the beginning, from the middle, from the whichever time, hi. I'm back, but I'm not back. I should stop saying I'm back. Anywho, how is your 2020? How has your 2020 been? Like, how is it going? I don't know, my 2020. Wait, we are in 2021. This new year has actually been great. Well, it's late February. I'm recording this video. Let me check the time. It's actually 26th February, so it's Friday. I actually did a coming back to school video. The thing is, I'll be posting all the videos that I did. I think the last one was in January. I did on Wednesdays. When that finished, then we'll see what we do on Wednesdays. But then we'll be say this video like this will be posted on a Saturday. So I would see what else we'll be doing. Any other thing. Anyways, what was I saying? Comment how your 2021 is going. What did you think would change when we enter 2021? Has it changed? Yeah, aside from that, oh, I have a story for you guys. Yes, so anyways, I had this braids, right? I'll put it right here. I had this braids. I said I will take those braids till, what did I say I'll do? I said I'll take those braids for like 4 months. So I'll remove it in April, but then after January I was like, okay, I'll remove it in March. Then I had a mental breakdown and I removed it in February. So 1st of February I removed it, and it's good I didn't. I feel like every time I remove my hair before I need to, it's actually, I feel like I have that connection with my hair. Because my hair was feeling really bad. This is the amount of hair I lost. And you would think, Manuel, how come? Why? You weren't touching your hair. How come you lost those amounts of hair? Now that's the thing. I think I've said this thing on my channel several times. If I leave my hair alone, if my hair doesn't get moisture, it breaks on its own. I don't have to manipulate it for it to break. It just goes ahead and breaks on its own. So that's what it does. I don't have to try. I don't have to keep touching it every single day. It breaks on its own when it gets dry. Now the thing with this Frohawk is, I think it's because of the wool they used in the middle. So they used wool in the middle. I know a lot of people don't use wool in the middle. They use like actual hair or just your hair, and then they put the afro twist and then twirl the other afro twist on the hair, or however they do it. But this time the one they used in the middle was wool. So I feel like every time I moisturize my hair, or like I hydrate my hair and I moisturize it, the wool absorbs the moisture, so my hair doesn't get moisture because it was really hard and no product was working. And I left all my products in the house because I was like, I'm not going to remove my hair. I'll remove my hair and I can go to a salon, and then when I get home I'll use my products. But now I kind of need my Aphogee, but the thing is I can't buy another Aphogee because that thing is very expensive. I'm not going to buy another one just because I need it. It's in the house. I can wait. So I used my Anjaki's leave-in and my hair just melted. It still needs a prison because even if I give it the moisture that it needs a prison for the strength. So my hair was less full. So when I finished washing it, obviously it faded a little. I went into the Air Natural Salon. It used to be Air Natural Salon, but now it's 360 Natural Salon because they had kind of like, they were working with Air Naturals back in the day, but now they produce their own product, so it's 360 Natural Salon. So I went there and they twisted my hair. They twisted and I told them to cut my ends. So I've cut like 2 to 3 inches of my hair. Oh, let me show you my hair. Right now this is my hair. It has faded. It looks yellowish. It's actually more blonde than yellow. I don't know why the light is not getting this back. So because of the breakages, the hair wasn't as, you know, full looking as it usually looks. So I just like trimmed that off because we are not about that life. Yeah, so why I just like a hood that was fishy, and then there was a that I could have free treatment. So that too. What do you think about this situation? Try not to use all the breeze out of the hair. Now it's kind of tricky. People are like using it. I actually had to wash my hair today though. Oh yeah. What did I say? So after all the products didn't work, I can't believe I digress. So after all the products didn't work, I went to the China mall because I actually had to get products that worked. And since my Aunt Jackie's living was around and it was left for small and I don't have some in the house, I decided to just buy one because I saw it there, and I bought the conditioner. Do you know Dove has a conditioner? I never knew Dove had hair products. I mean, it was cheap, maybe, and I bought some other ones too. Actually, for now, they were all very cheap. I'll show you guys in another video. I don't want this video to be too long. Yeah, so I bought those and they actually kind of like worked, but I still need the protein because yeah. So I legit spent another 20 minutes talking about you commenting 3 things you like to feel and 3 things you like to be in the next week. Have a nice time. Have a nice 2021. Peace out. Bye.